back with another video. It's your boy Builds. Today we got a Honda 2004 CRF250R. I took some of the plastics off already because they're already loose. But the subframe was a pain, real pain. Anyway, so the dilemma with this, or the problem with this bike, I should say, supposedly it's seized. It's not too bad. The carburetor's gummed up. Every time I hit the throttle, it gets stuck. See, hit the throttle, it's not gonna manually put it back down. We'll lube those up to get it back up and running. But other than that, everything is a pretty nice bike. Yeah, got the carburetor off, and we're gonna take this. We're gonna drain the coolant first. Before we do anything, we're gonna drain the coolant first because there's gonna be coolant everywhere, bucko. So yeah, we'll drain the coolant first, and I'll be back with you guys. Yay! All right. I drank the coolant. The coolant is not bad, not bad. I think there may be more coolant in here, but we'll find out. So gotta get under this to break the seal. That is not budging. Okay. Sorry for bad quality. Come on, drag. I think I got it. I think it was back there where it was. Set this down. I'll put you guys out quick. Alright, to get better access, let me just take off this rest of the fixes on. Okay, I know exactly where that went. And there's another one right under here. And then that should drop the exhaust. Alright. Okay. It doesn't look bad. Too bad. See a little orange. You all know what that means. That means rust. Yeah, I don't see anything in there. It's a little too dark for me, but other than that, I can't see some. I try and twist it and then turn. It's gonna come. There it is. It took forever. Okay, that's one. Now we're gonna go to the other side and get another one. Sure. Alright, so we're gonna put some right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry, my hand was in the way. I'm getting to it. Gotta make sure you guys unloosen these. And how I detach the carburetor over here. There's two screws. There's two screws in like these. I don't know if you guys can be able to see it, but there's on the other side. Actually, I'll show you right now. On the other side, in here, there's these. You gotta loosen these up on both sides. You can see the other one right there. And then this whole part comes off. And then there's another one on the back side of this. On the side, go over this, which is on the air boot, and take that off and then come off. For me it was hard, but I don't know what you guys do. Okay, I'm gonna have to set you guys down for this one too. Alright, I'm back. I got it off down here. And now we got all the coolant lines off. the carburetor and everything separated. I need to detach the clutch cable. So the way we do that is we can either loosen it from here, or we can push this out without this actually engaging, and do that. But so let me get this detached, and I'll talk about how I got it loose after. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got this off, the little clutch for cable, right? So what I did was I disconnected from here. This was already loose, so I'll have to readjust the clutch soon. So basically what I did was I loosened the adjuster already out, and then I applied it out, and then I put a flat head right here and push the cable out itself, and then wiggle the little ball part, this part here, out, and then it came out. So yeah. Alright, so that was that, and it's time to take off this brown, I can't talk today, can I? This mounting bracket. Alright. I'm not going the right way. No, I'm going the right way. Now remember, these two both go into the same. They go to that side case. So you have to remove this stick tip. This tip. Yep. Remove that, and then once you have the dipstick out, you can remove these bolts. Once they're removed, and there's actually oil in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's oil in there. Okay. Alright. Now that that's off and away, you can put these bolts back in because they go to the side cover. Make sure you get your dipstick back in here. Make sure you're going in straight. Yep, just like so. Now here comes everything else, aka the hard part. So we gotta take off the chain, and we gotta undo some wiring. So the wiring harness comes off the stator and comes all the way up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it comes all the way up. You see it better back here. So it goes all the way up, and it comes over here, and all the way over here, and you see it's still going, and it connects right here. This white connector. I can get a better angle for you guys. It's all the way up. So see how I'm tugging it here? You see it moving? It goes all the way up. And it plugs in it right here. And these two, so this white connector right here, and this black connector. These two. So once you unplug those two, then the whole thing should be able to, the wiring should be done. So let's do that. I'll be right back. Alright, to make it easier, I'm gonna be taking off the radiators. Alright, that's one. Make sure you don't lose those. Alright. And now, I'll be back because I have to take off this C-clamp and this C-clamp right here. And then this whole radiator will come off. I'll be right back. Alright, what's goody? Okay, back here. So we got the bottom and top hose off. They were a pain to get off. Anyway, so now we have to get these two connectors off. I mean, disconnected. My bad. Disconnected. So, is this the green wire that goes all the way up? No, it runs something else. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna get these two connected. So, I'll be back when I get these unconnected. So, let's go. Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, so basically, it's like one of the easiest connectors I've ever done before. So basically, once it's in, you lift this up, something under this, and then you pull. Oh wait, you guys didn't really see that. Let me do it again. So get something under this, and then we pull, and then bingo, bango. The joints is out. Alright, so yeah, so that comes out, and then Honda installed reusable zip ties. So you gotta take some of these off, and then once that's all out, we'll go to the next step. Let me take this one off and fish this wire already back to the other side of the bike. So yeah, right back. Alright, I am back. So how I fished it out was I ran the wires came from here, and then they have these reusable zip ties. You lift this up, and then the whole thing slides out, and then you have to untwist these. Not really twisted, but kind of twisted, but not twisted enough. Want it all the way back through, and all the way through here. There's a little black bracket right here, and then here it is. See, here's the other one that you have to untwist. And here's the connectors. Now we are about to do another easy part. Actually, no, hard part. We do the hard part. Everything hard first. Let's do the master link. Yeah, so let's do the master link first, and then we'll do the ignition coil. And yeah, so I'll get back to the other side and be right back. Okay, so we are on the other side, and this is the master link. This looks to be a gold chain. I'm not sure. It's kind of hard to tell, but here's the clip. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'll be back when I take this off. Alright. So okay. For the most part, it's out. Gotta pop like one more time. So I'm gonna grab this. It's like not gonna grab it. So yeah, it's not gonna grab it. So let me pop this off real quick. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I got it off. Let's see if it's easy to push it through. It's kind of easy. Okay, here comes the other part. Okay, this is not an O-ring chain. I thought it was an O-ring chain. It's not. This DI says it's DID. Yeah, this is the goat chain. This has to be a goat chain. You can see the goat marks. It's a DID Japan. So yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now that that chain's out, you're gonna want to set that aside. Momentarily, I will drop this chain in oil to free everything up. But yep, now that the chain is off and out, we have to start demounting the engine. Alright, and the way we do that, we demount the engine. So we have a couple mounting spots. So we have one right here on both sides, We have another one right here, and here's another one right there. No, there's one right here in the swing arm, and then there's a top mount right here too. And then that should be releasing your engine. Oh, it's a 2004. It's 52 pounds, 53, 52, one of the two. Anyways, yeah. So be back when I take out all the mounts. Actually, I'll do it on the camera. Cause you know what? Let me set everything up though first. All right. Actually, you guys thought. Since we got so much done today, that's gonna be all episode 1 for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So yeah, that's episode 1. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and smash that subscribe button. One good time. So yeah, I'm out. Peace. This soda.